Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Payal Chhatre. I am from SSW COE. I am second year student of branch Electronics and Computer Engineering. Let us go discussion about that subject of Python programming language. In that topic name data types in Python. Let us go one by one discussion. The first one is what is data type in programming language, Python programming or any other language, for example C, C++, Java. The data type is a type of data variable is stored or data type represent a type of value represent the variable. The next one is the types of data type. In that there are 5 types of data types in Python. The first one is a numeric, dictionary, boolean, set, sequence type. The first is a numeric. In that numeric there are again 3 types. First one is a integer, second one is a complex number, third one is a float, and last one is a sequence types. In that there are again 3 types. First one is a string, second one is a list, third one is a tuples. Let us go one by one discussion. The first one is a numeric data type. In that there are 3 types. First one is a integer data type, complex number, and third one is a float. In that first one, this value is represented by int class. It contains positive or negative whole numbers without a fraction decimal. In Python there is no limit to how long an integer value can be changed. The second one is a complex number. In that a complex number is represented by a complex class. It is represented by a real part plus combination of real part and imaginary part. For example, -2 plus 3j. J is represented by the imaginary part, and in that -2 is a integer, negative integer value, and 3 is a constant, and j is a imaginary part. The third one is a float. This value is represented by a float class. It is real number with the floating point representation. It is a specified by a decimal point. Optionally the character e or capital E or small e followed by positive or negative integer may be appended to specify specific notation. In that appended is nothing but add to the last number or last character. The second one is the second data type is a dictionary in Python. What is dictionary? A dictionary in Python is collection or of data value used to store data value like a map, unlike other Python data type that hold only a single value as an element. A dictionary hold a key value pair. In that the most important point is key value pair. Key value is provided in the dictionary to make it store optimized. Each key value pair in the dictionary is separated by a colon. The symbol of colon is this one. where each key is separated by a comma. The value is represented is a colon and key is represented is comma. In that key is a constant and value can be changed. The next one is a boolean data type. What is boolean in Python? In that Python data type with one of the two built-in value, true or false. True or false. Boolean object that equal to true means 1 and false means 0. Truly, and those equal to false are wholly false. However, non-Boolean object can be evaluated in a Boolean context as well as the determined to the true or false. It is denoted by the class bool. The next data type is a set. It is set in Python. In Python data type, set is a unordered. The most important point is in the set unordered collection of data type that is iterable, mutable and has no duplicated element. The order of each element in the set is undefined, through it may consist of various elements. A set is a mutable. The most is a mutable and unordered collection. Means any order is allowed in set data type in Python. The next data type is sequence type. In that there are 3 types. The first one is a string. In that string in Python are array of bytes representing Unicode character. In Python there is no character data type Python. A character is a string length 1. It is represented by str class. The second data type is a list. List are just likely array declared in the other language, which is an ordered collection of data. It is very flexible as the item in a list do not need to be the same data type. List is a mutable data type. And third one is a tuple. Tuple in the Python, it is also ordered. The most important point is ordered. Collection of Python object. The only difference between the tuple and list that tuple are immutable and list is mutable. Immutable, it means it cannot be changed or modified after created of the tuple, and in that list is it can be mutable or it can be changed or modified after it's created. Thank you.